Now hydration enthalpy means what? Like if we are seeing, like we know that lithium, sodium, potassium, if we are taking, like let me give you like this, sodium, potassium, rubidium and cesium. Now if we take these ions, we know that their sizes are like this. So this is increasing ionic size. Now remember, in gaseous state. But what happens is, the moment we put them in water, the one which is having the smallest size is having what? The highest charge density. Now its charge density, since is highest, charge density is highest, it gets maximum hydrated. So what happens is, therefore, highest hydration enthalpy is released in this case. Therefore, hydration enthalpy's trend is, it is maximum for lithium, then for sodium, then for potassium, then for rubidium, and it is least for cesium.